thanksgiving and love. There is joy in my heart, it is flowing like a river. I will praise the Lord in thanksgiving and love. God the Father, everlasting King, please accept these gifts we offer in thanksgiving and love. Take our bread upon your altar and our wine in the chalice in thanksgiving and love.